Greetings, curious minds to smart finance investor, and welcome to a deep dive into the fascinating universe of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll embark on a comprehensive journey through the basics of cryptocurrency. Whether you are a newcomer eager to learn or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a refresher, you are in for a treat. Together, we'll unravel the foundational aspects of cryptocurrency. To truly grasp the essence of cryptocurrency, we'll start from the very beginning. Cryptocurrency, often referred to as crypto, is a groundbreaking form of digital or virtual currency. It operates on decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology, distinguishing it from traditional fiat currencies issued by governments. Blockchain demystified. Before delving into cryptocurrency further, let's demystify blockchain, the technology that underpins it. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, a record-keeping system that documents every transaction in a secure, tamper-resistant manner. This ledger is distributed across a global network of computers, making it virtually impossible to alter transactions. Key features of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's explore the unique attributes that set cryptocurrencies apart from traditional forms of money. Decentralization, a foundational concept in the realm of cryptocurrencies, revolutionizes traditional power dynamics. It entails the absence of a central governing authority, replacing it with a network of distributed participants. This network verifies and records transactions through consensus mechanisms like blockchain. Peer-to-peer transactions enable direct exchanges without intermediaries, fostering privacy, efficiency, and reduced fees. This empowerment shifts control from centralized entities to individuals, enabling financial autonomy and ownership. By dispersing transaction verification across multiple participants, decentralization ensures resilience against single points of failure and minimizes vulnerability to hacking. This transformation extends global accessibility, welcomes innovation, and challenges established financial systems, creating a landscape where individuals can transact freely, securely, and on their terms. Security through cryptography, a fundamental pillar of cryptocurrency, ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and authenticity of transactions. Cryptocurrencies utilize sophisticated cryptographic techniques to encode and protect sensitive information. Through the use of cryptographic algorithms, data is transformed into complex codes that can only be deciphered by those possessing the appropriate decryption keys. This provides an exceptionally secure environment, making it extremely difficult for unauthorized parties to access or alter transaction details. Additionally, cryptography facilitates the generation of digital signatures, allowing users to verify their identities and endorse transactions without revealing sensitive information. The utilization of cryptographic hashing further enhances security by converting transaction data into fixed-length strings, ensuring data consistency and tamper resistance. Global accessibility, a hallmark of cryptocurrencies, granting individuals the ability to participate in financial transactions without regard to geographical boundaries. Unlike traditional financial systems that may involve complex cross-border procedures and currency conversions, cryptocurrencies facilitate seamless and instant peer-to-peer transactions across the world. This accessibility is fueled by decentralized networks that eliminate the need for intermediaries and enable direct transfers between individuals. As a result, individuals in remote or underserved regions can engage in economic activities, receive remittances, and access financial services, even without a traditional bank account. Limited supply, a key characteristic of many cryptocurrencies, shaping their value dynamics and scarcity. Unlike traditional fiat currencies that can be printed indefinitely, cryptocurrencies often have predetermined maximum supplies. For example, Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity is intentionally built into the cryptocurrency's protocol, creating an environment where demand can potentially outpace supply, leading to increased value over time. The finite supply concept draws parallels to precious resources like gold, appealing to investors seeking assets with limited availability. While Bitcoin takes the spotlight, the cryptocurrency landscape is vast and diverse. Bitcoin and beyond. Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency, was introduced in 2009 by an enigmatic figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It served as a prototype for the development of other cryptocurrencies. Altcoins and their purpose. Beyond Bitcoin, a multitude of altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies, have emerged, each designed for specific use cases. Ethereum and smart contracts. Ethereum, a prominent altcoin, introduced the concept of smart contracts, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, DApps. Ripple and cross-border payments. Ripple focuses on facilitating efficient cross-border payments for financial institutions. Why cryptocurrency matters? Now, let's delve into the significance of cryptocurrency in the modern world. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies can bridge the gap for individuals who lack access to traditional banking services. Financial sovereignty. Cryptos empower users by providing them with direct control over their funds. Innovation and disruption. Cryptocurrency has paved the way for innovative technologies such as DeFi, NFTs, and more. Challenges and considerations. As with any groundbreaking technology, cryptocurrencies come with their own set of challenges. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can experience extreme fluctuations, offering both opportunities and risks. Regulatory uncertainty. Regulations vary across countries, impacting the adoption and use of cryptocurrencies. Security concerns. While blockchain is secure, issues with exchanges and wallets can expose users to vulnerabilities. Congratulations! You've completed the crash course in cryptocurrency basics. We've explored everything from the fundamentals of blockchain to the significance of cryptocurrencies in today's world. If you found this comprehensive guide informative and valuable, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, our journey doesn't end here. The world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and staying informed is key to navigating it successfully. See you soon.